You can't burp in space? Ever wondered what happens when astronauts get gassy? Well, in space, burping is a no-go. In zero gravity, the gas in your stomach doesn't separate from the liquids. So instead of a clean burp, you get, well, a reverse regurgitation. Yikes. Astronauts have to hold it in or risk a surprise mouthful. Space food is carefully chosen to minimize gas production. Want more mind-blowing space facts? Follow us and share this with your friends who love weird science. Let us know what other space mysteries you want us to solve in the comments. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and share and listen to the beautiful music on the main channel.